In today's video, I'll show you how to add realistic engine sounds to any vehicle in GTA 5. Check my video description for this sound mod list. Choose the sound mod you like to install. The sound mod installation comes in two formats. One is OIV add-on, another one is add-on. I will show you guys both installation methods. First, I'm going to install this add-on installation. Check my video description for this mod link. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna install this for add-on Kawasi Ninja Reset 10R. So this is the exhaust sound. In the same way, I have the add-on bike mod as well. Once you download the mod, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR, open bin, open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select edit mode and select yes option. Select script hook V and input a.dll and drop inside of a game folder. Then go back, open this Rampage Legacy, and drop these two files inside our GTA 5. Once done, go back, open the bike mod, open mod. Inside you can able to see dlc.rpf, then drop to desktop. Then go back, open the bike sound mod, single player, and here you can able to see dlc.rpf, then drop this to desktop. To done, go to mods. If it doesn't have mods folder created, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to create a mods folder in GTA 5. Open update x64 DLC packs, then drop these two folders inside. Once you drop this, the first one is bike mod and second one is sound. Right click on the sound mod and select rename, copy the name, and then open the bike mod, open DLC, data, right click on vehicles and select edit option. Scroll down and find audio name hash. In audio name hash, just paste the sound mod name. Once you're done, select save option. Go back to the GTA 5 mods, update.rpf, common data, scroll down, DLC list, right click and select edit option. Scroll down to the bottom. We are going to add these two. Copy the last line and next to item, press enter and paste this line. Do the same thing for 2 times. Once you're done, right click on this, rename, copy the name and paste it in these 2 slashes. Same way. Once you're done pasting these 2 mods, select save. This is the first method of installation we have successfully done. So the second method I will show you guys, that comes with OIV add-on. Download the mod. For this Porsche 911, I have the car mod as well. Download the mod. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open the mod. Open the folder DLC. Drag and drop to desktop. And this is the core one. PTS is core mod. Open the engine sound, single player. Select the edit mode in OpenIV and select yes. Drag and drop this OIV inside. Select install, mods folder, confirm installation. And then close. Now open mods, update x64 DLC packs. Then drop this core mod inside. Once you drop this, open the core mod, DLC, data, right click on vehicles and select edit. Find audio name hash. Go back to the sound mod, scroll down. You can able to see under instructions audio name hash entry of. Just copy this text and then paste it in this audio hash. Once you're done, select save option. Go back to GTA 5, open mods, update update.rpf, common data, scroll down, right click on DLC list and select edit option. Scroll down to the bottom, copy this lost text next to item, press enter and paste the text. Right click on the core mod, copy the name and paste it in here. Select save. Everything is done. We have successfully installed a two vehicles mod and two vehicle sounds as well. I will show you guys the sounds in game. Once you are in game, press F5 to open up this Rampage trainer. Using up arrow and down arrow, choose option. Press enter to select option. To go back, press the backspace key. Go to vehicle, spawner, add-on loader. Here you can able to see two vehicles. I already spawned and you can able to see in front of me. I show you guys so how to spawn. Just spawn the vehicles. What show you guys? I'm spawning two vehicles in front of you. Same vehicles. Now I show you guys both vehicles sound. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.